Good morning. Today, 21st August 2026, and right now time is 10:34 a.m. Presently, I am in Purbo Bachaibari under Bachaibari Agri Sector, Tolashikar Agri Subdivision. So this plot belongs to Rina Deborma of Purbo Bachaibari, and this is RGP Gomoti Paddy. So by today, I think it's almost around 25-26 days old, but due to less of water today, the labor are doing this weeding in this plot. So we have already registered in the name of Rina Deborma. So due to less water, it's they are doing weeding, but little bit hard due to absence of water. Mokai chini Gomoti mai RGP register gar programo angkai ma plot chini takuk jo Rina Deborma ni ngacheng jaga Gomoti mai Borma ni o jaga prai 3 by 25 din hai rokung tonga angkai ma already sing online registration khai pekha angkai tei kom ni bagai prok kisa jabra phuitani kostong tonga jaga abaro khato khai kisa tei tongo angkai o jaga chini প্রায় 0.5 হেক্টর হাই তং জায়গা RGP Gomoti মাইকে মো মাইনত जों ডিপার্টমেন্টালি পাইতলাंनाय তাক তো রেট 29 টাকা প্রতি কেজি 29 रुपीस ओंखाय आसुक न कक जे चिनि थाकले RGP प्रोग्रामो जे टोटाल 10 हेक्टर तंगमानि बिसिङो जों अलरेडी 8.5 हेक्टर एचिभ फैखा किसा माइ शर्ट नि बागै जों जत माइनाव खायमालिया पुरा 10 हेक्टर एचिभ खायमालिया Gomoti te Siardan kai Kalikasa 3 variety ni mai taklai जों RGP o khai dong. So altogether our total target for RGP paddy is 10 hectare, but we achieve 8.5 hectare. And 3 varieties of this paddy, Gomoti, then Kalikasa and Siardan are there for during this year 2026-27, and we have already done registration in the name of Rina Deborma of Purbo Bachaibari. Gai jotrono hambai.